OmicsLogic is an online portal to discover meaning in a labyrinth of biological data. It's an online community for top researchers and professionals in bioinformatics to supply universities and other organizations with online courses, certifications, and practical case studies in biomedical data analysis. Spanning the journey of a novice to develop skills and stand out from the crowd, we provide access to asynchronous resources, specialized training, mentorship, and big data infrastructure. As a result, students learn about meaningful application of computational skills to relevant data sets in their chosen domain. In this way, we address the pressing challenge that slows down the effective analysis of large data sets produced in research and biotechnology industry. We address the topic of software complexity, the need for big data processing power, access to tested methods by experts in the field, exposure to real-world challenges, and training for faculty to stay updated even beyond their area of expertise. To do so, we first address the topic of materials for courses that are usually developed in-house, taught sporadically, and are rarely updated. So we opened up the OmicsLogic portal to a dynamic community that will introduce new materials and keep them up to date with the newest technology all the time. Secondly, these courses have to be organized. And because the challenge is to combine several different topics together, the flow and transitions between subjects has to be improved. This is addressed at OmicsLogic through introductory materials being woven throughout the courses. Finally, let's talk about systematization. These topics are extremely complex, so there's a need to know that someone is stuck and needs help, or allow another one to run forward. And so to address this, OmicsLogic uses standardized modules and interactive sessions that begin with mastering terminology and concepts to then implementing these concepts with real data sets in a case study approach. So the portal brings community-driven experience to anyone to learn how to analyze biological data, build up their profile to be ready for research, industry, or entrepreneurship using biotechnology and big data. The features are designed to make this process seamless for individual users, a class, or a whole institution. The OmicsLogic portal gives students options for analyzing any data, code-dependent or independent paths. These datasets and associated publications can be used in several ways. You can learn bioinformatics without any coding at all. For that, in each project, we explain the analysis pipelines on the user-friendly T-Bioinfo platform for big data analysis. You can also learn the scripts behind many of the steps, learning to wrangle, clean, visualize, and analyze data in popular languages like R and Python in order to create your own analyses. Finally, you can hear about the projects and their research applications in our mentor-guided programs, where experts share their experience and support research projects developed by you. So this is not just a portal with online courses or MOOCs. This is a community where you can see achievements, progress, certification, and explore projects developed by students. Having access to big data analysis tools with interactive outputs in a logical flow helps students master and understand complex bioinformatics processes designed by experts and produce outputs that are both intuitive and biologically interpretable. In addition, students can learn, practice, solve computational problems, and discover opportunities as they go through intuitive learning using our coding console with predefined answers that can be obtained by manipulating the code. Having expert-designed training opportunities, students can design job-ready skills and find job opportunities in the academia, industry, as an intern, or even by finding a short-term project. This approach allows any student to develop a profile that stands out. OmicsLogic was designed in collaboration with top universities, and as a result, we have a team of experts that are guiding the development of the necessary resources, managed by a team that is distributed across several locations, like North America, India, and Africa. In each one of these locations, we have established partnerships with top institutions that represent community colleges, universities, high schools, and organizations that support biomedical research.